Hello everyone, in this video let's solve 2025 AB Calculus AB and BC free response question 1. An invasive species of plants appears in a fruit grove at time t equals 0 begin to spread, right? And the function c of t is given by this guy. And c prime of t is given by this one, where t is measured in weeks, right? Now question A, find the average number from time t equals 0 to times equals 4, right? So you're going to use the average value formula, right? So you just substitute values 1 over 4 minus 0 in the row form 0 to 4. The function c of t is given by this one right here. So you have 7.6. Alright, so you bring up the calculator, hit calculate, and then you're going to hit menu, calculus, numerical interval right here. Right here you hit 0, this one should be 4. Right? And you hit enter. The answer is 11.1129. Now you need to divide by 4, right? Hit enter. It's going to be 2.778. Now question B. Find the time t when the instantaneous rate of change of c equals the average rate of change of c over the time interval 0 to 4. Alright, so you have average rate of change is going to be c of 4 subtract c of 0 over 4 minus 0, right? So it's going to be multiplied by 4 subtract 7.6 tangent of 0.2 multiply by 0 divide by 4, right? So you bring up the calculator and then you're going to hit enter. The answer is 1.28201, right? 38 over 25 plus t squared equals 1.28201, right? Now you're going to bring up the calculator, you're going to grab this one, and you're going to find the intersection, right? 38 over 25 plus s squared. And then you close parentheses, right? Now you hit tab for the second equation. 1.28201. And you hit enter. It's going to be right here. Now remember that the interval from 0 to 4, right? So you need to find the intersection. It should be right here, right? So you need to hit menu, number 6, analyze graph right here, and intersection right here. Move to the left of intersection, hit enter, move to the right, hit enter. So the answer should be 2.154 right here, right? So t equals 2.154 weeks. Alright, let's move on to question C. Assume that the invasive species continues to spread according to the given model for the time t greater than 0. Write a limit expression that describes the end behavior of the rate of change in the number of acres affected by the species. Evaluate this limit expression. Alright, so question C very simple. It's going to be limit of c prime t when t approaches infinity. It's going to be limit of the function 38 over 25 plus t squared when t approaches infinity. Now, this is a rational function when the degree on the numerator is less than the degree on the denominator. So, this guy has the horizontal asymptote y equals 0, right? So when t approaches infinity, this guy approaches the horizontal asymptote, which means 0, right? Now question D. At time t equal 4 weeks, after the invasive species appears in the fruit growth, measures are taken to counter the spread of the species. The function a divided by a of t equals c of t minus this guy. Models the number of acres affected by the species over the time interval t greater than or equal to 4, less than or equal to 36. At what time t, for t from 4 to 36, does A attain its maximum values? Justify your answer. So even though you're allowed to use calculator, you need to justify this one, right? So when it comes to maximum, minimum, increasing, decreasing, think about the first derivative, right? So I have AT equals CT right here. I need to take the derivative first, right? So I have a prime of t equals c prime of t minus. Now when you take the derivative of this one, it's going to be 0.1 times natural log of t, right? So alright, now you're going to let a prime of t equals 0 is the same thing as c prime of t minus 0.1 natural log of t equals 0, right? Now c prime of t is going to be given right here, 38 over 25 plus t squared minus 0.1 natural log of t equals 0, right? Now I'm going to add 0.1 times natural log of t both sides, right? So this guy turns out to be... Alright, now I'm going to put this one on the calculator. Alright, the first graph is the blue one, right? The second graph should be 0.1 natural log of t, right? So I need to hit tab. I put 0.1 natural log of s. And I hit enter. So you will see it. The intersection should be right here, right? So I need to hit menu, analyze graph, intersection. Now I move my cursor to the left of intersection, move my cursor to the right of intersection. The answer is 11.44, right? Now I need to calculate A of 11.44, A of 4, and A of 36, right? And I'm going to pick the maximum values, right? So the function A is given by this one right here. So I just rewrite this one over here. Now I need to calculate A of 11.44. So I'm going to bring up the calculator. I hit 7.6 attention of 0.2 times t, but t equal 11.44, right? And then I need to subtract the interval from 4 to t. So I hit menu, calculus, numerical interval. Now I'm going to hit 4 to 11.44. The interval of 0.1. Natural log of s ds. Alright, so I just hit enter. The answer is 7.316, right? 7.316. Now you're going to do exactly the same thing for A of 4 and A of 36. So A of 4 you will get 5.128. And A of 36 you will get 1.743. The final answer must be this guy right here, right? So you need to conclude that at time t equals 11.44 weeks, A obtained the maximum values 7.316 acres. Don't forget to check out the FRQ number 2, and it's good time to stop. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember that if you failing to prepare, you're preparing to fail.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand